Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable page speed insights using Google PageSpeed, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable page speed insights using Google PageSpeed, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Google PageSpeed Insights. Press enter to visit the PageSpeed Insights homepage. Once the page loads, you will see a text box labeled Enter a web page URL. Take the URL of the website you wish to analyze. Paste the URL into the text box. Next, click on the blue Analyze button located next to the text box. The tool will begin analyzing the website for speed and performance. This process may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once the analysis is complete, you will see a detailed report. This report includes a score out of 100. Make note of the score, as it indicates the performance level of your page. Scroll down to view specific recommendations for improving the score. Review the suggestions provided, which may include image optimization, browser caching, and reducing server response time. To implement these recommendations, make necessary changes to your website. After making updates, return to the PageSpeed Insights tool. Enter the same URL again to reanalyze your site. By comparing the new score with the previous one, you can measure your improvements. Repeat this process as needed to continue optimizing your website's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.